In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide errors in Google Sheets using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Errors like number N, A or number div 0 appear when your formula can't find data or something goes wrong. But instead of removing the formula, you can hide these errors while keeping everything working. Now, if you want to hide errors, here's what to do. Click on the cell that shows the error, then go to the formula bar. Take your existing formula and wrap it with IFERROR. So instead of your normal formula, you type IFERROR followed by your formula inside brackets. Once you press enter, the error will disappear and the cell will look clean. If everything works correctly, your result will still show normally. But if there's an error, Google Sheets will hide it and show a blank instead. You can also customize this. If you don't want a blank cell, you can add text like not found inside the formula and that will show instead of the error. That's it. Using IFERROR in Google Sheets helps you keep your data clean, readable and professional without breaking your formula.